Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. It's George, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to buy ImpactXP with lower gas fees. Guys, we will use LBANK to buy ImpactXP, so watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is very important. We need to reach 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And one more thing guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice guys, it's just video tutorial how to buy this coin. So let's go to LBANK. If you don't have LBANK accounts, I will leave the link in the comment section and you can use my link to make account on LBANK guys. So after you make account on LBANK, then follow my instruction. First of all guys, we need to buy USDT because to buy ImpactXP token we need to swap USDTs. So first of all, let's go to buy credit debit card, and here you should choose USDT and the amount you want to spend guys. For example, $100. Here you should choose the payment method you want to use, and I suggest you to use Banksa. They have lower gas fees and it's quite easy to buy with Banksa guys. Click buy, confirm. So you can see the fees were nearly $2. So you should submit your contact details and finalize the payment guys. So after you will buy USDT on LBANK, then you need to swap USDT to ImpactXP guys, and I will show you how to do that. Go to market, click the market in the menu, and in the search bar you should type ImpactXP. So here is the ImpactXP, click it. Here is our token, and then you should click it. And guys, here you should type the amount of USDT you want to pay to buy ImpactXP. So for example, type 100 USDT and swap it to ImpactXP token guys. This is very simple. Here are the lowest gas fees guys. So thank you for watching. If you have some questions, you can ask me below in the comment section or clicking the like button, and thank you for subscribing guys. We need to reach 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. See you in the next video.